Welcome to Simply Stated. I'm Adalida, and today we are going to make a lemon cake. First, we're going to put our batter into two greased pans. Then we're going to stick our pans into the oven, and we're going to cook this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Once it comes out of the oven, allow the cakes to cool down to room temperature. Now we're going to make a dreamy lemon glaze by adding 2 cups of confectionery sugar along with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Then we're going to put 2 tablespoons of butter. Once we have all our ingredients into the bowl, it's time to mix really well. If you notice that the mixture is not mixing well, then you can add a little bit of water as needed until you get the right consistency that you're looking for. Once you got the right consistency, you're going to take the glaze and coat the first cake with it until it's spread evenly throughout. Then we're going to take our other cake and stack it on top of the first one. After stacking your cake, put the glaze on the top and spread evenly throughout. You're going to notice that some of the glaze is going to drip off the edges, and that's okay. That's going to happen naturally. And now for my favorite part of the process. This is optional. You could add as many sprinkles as you like to the cake. My children enjoy this part so much that they do it. And there you have it, a delicious, dreamy lemon cake that is easy to do. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Like, comment, and share. And if you want to see more content such as this, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching Simply Stated. I'm Adalida, and always remember to shine bright and never let anyone turn off your light. Until the next video.